Welcome. Today we are looking at paper 1 question 3. So we start with question 3a. Outline 7 promises of God to David through Prophet Nathan. 7 marks. David's name would be great. God would protect Israel from oppression and make her live in peace. God would save David from his enemies. God would always raise up an heir from David's lineage to sit on the throne. God would bury David with his ancestors. God would establish an everlasting kingdom for David. David and his descendants would be blessed forever. The Messiah would come from the David's lineage. God would punish David's son when he did wrong the way a father punishes a son. God would always support David's heirs. David's son would build a temple for God. God would give Israel their own land to settle, and David's descendants would rule forever. Question 3b. Explain the factors that led to the contest between Prophet Elijah and the prophets of Baal at Mount Carmel. King Ahab had married a Phoenician princess, Jezebel, who imported to Israel the worship of foreign gods. Jezebel imported 450 prophets of Baal, who promoted Baal worship in Israel. Ahab built a temple for the worship of Baal in Samaria and participated in the worship of pagan gods. Yahweh's altar had been destroyed. Yahweh was worshipped alongside other gods. Prophets of Yahweh were persecuted, and many had been killed in Israel on order of Queen Jezebel. There was a prolonged drought in Israel, which threatened the nation. Elijah was sent by God to prove that he was speaking the truth among the living God. Elijah had deep religious experience and deep conviction about the nature of Yahweh. The whole nation of Israel had been led astray into false worship at the king's command. The contest was proved to the Israelites and the king himself, who between Yahweh and Baal was the true God. Question 3c. Give reasons why a leader may be rejected in the society today when he fails to address the problems of his subjects, when he practices discrimination, for example tribalism, lack of education and proper training of the leader, due to misappropriation of public funds, if the leader is associated with people of questionable behavior, if he fails to promote peace and harmony in the society, if the leader is immoral, due to dictatorial ruling. Question 4a. Outline the importance of prophets in the nation of Israel. 7 marks. That we are going to look at tomorrow. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you